The space you will be working in is up in behind the glove box and it's very tight. If you feel you want more room, you can remove the glove box by following the link provided at the end of this video for assistance with that task. The factory alarm is located in the passenger footwell behind the floorboard and up above the DME, red arrow. Pull back the carpet and remove the wooden floorboard, red arrow. The factory alarm box is approximately 3 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch and sits above the DME, red arrow. Our project car had the system already removed or never installed. This is what a factory alarm control box looks like. If you're going to jump the terminals on the alarm box to bypass it and check if that is your electrical problem, you will need to make 2 jumpers from coated wire and male spade connectors. With the plugs attached to the control box, jump pin 1 to pin 4 and pin 7 to pin 8 on the larger control module connector. If you jump these terminals and the car will still not start, your electrical problems lie somewhere else. With the glove box removed, you can see the 2 electrical plugs for the control box, the 2 pin connectors, yellow arrow, and the 8-pin connector. Here is a proper connector to permanently remove the alarm control box. You can see how the number 1 and 4 pins, red arrows, and the number 7 and 8 pins, yellow arrows, have been jumped. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.